I had a long conversation with a good friend of mine yesterday. Nagulat ako sa sinabi niya, no? You suffer or you die. How important suffering is. How important toil is. Pag hindi ka if you do not want to suffer, mamamatay ka eh. Bakit? Sabi niya, this friend of mine is a very successful doctor, no? Sabi niya, pagkatapos kumain, naguhugas siya. Sabi ng asawa niya, bakit ka naguhugas? Meron man maghuhugas para sa'yo. Sabi niya, kailangan ko gumalaw. Kung hindi ako gagalaw, mamamatay ako. Sabi niya, he is very successful, he has many cars. Siya naguhugas ng kotse niya. Kailangan niya gumalaw. Alam naman natin how important movement is. If you do not move, you stagnate. If you stagnate, parado, hindi gumagalaw, talaga naman, it is very dangerous if we do not move. Sabi niya, ang galing talaga ng Diyos. The flow of nature, if we will only follow the law of nature, we will exert effort. And if we exert effort, it is enough for us to sustain the proper effort. Yung pag-upo natin, pagpapahiga-higa tayo, ayaw natin umupo ng maayos, tatamad-tamad, di ba? It exerts effort to sit up straight, yung hindi nakasandal, kunyari, di ba? May disiplina. It burns energy. Pero pag ayaw natin, no, to walk properly, I am guilty of this, payuko-yuko, parang ayaw natin dumiretso, makukuba tayo eh. Pero it exerts effort to stand straight eh. Naku, to sit up straight with your shoulders properly aligned. It requires effort, pero ayaw natin eh. And if we do not do what is ordinarily asked of us, then we suffer. Because of comfort, ayaw natin. Ayaw nating manlakad, ayaw natin papawisan, ayaw natin. If we choose comfort, we die. So, suffer or you die. We embrace the sufferings. It is part of life. It is part of what it is to be human. How beautiful the reminders are for us. Let us not shortcut the process and try to get away with things. It is needed. Kailangan natin eh. Kailangan natin eh. And today, as we hear the importance of the cross, kaya nga ilang beses natin ginagawa yung tanda ng cross. Hindi rin talaga siya tanda. Pero sana ito'y talagang ginagawa natin, binubuhat natin ang cross natin. It will save us. It is very important to save us. Yesterday, araw-araw eh, nakakatuwa, no? Kahapon, sabi ni Jesus kay Pedro, ikaw bato, di ba? Galing ng sagot mo. Tapos, nung kinubento na ni Jesus yung kanyang krus, pagkamatay sa krus, sabi niya, naku, wag. Anong tinawag sa kanya? Satanas. Sa mga tao, ayaw yung krus at ayaw natin pahirapan yung iba. Ang tawag sa atin ay Satanas. We will be called Satan. Pag inaalis natin yung krus na minamahal natin, dahil sa pagmamahal, we want to spare the cross. Hindi po pwede. Kailangan yung cross. Kailangan yung sakit na yan. Yung sakit na yan magliligtas sa'yo. Yung cancer na yan, na ayaw natin, will prepare us, will make us closer to the Lord if only we realize. All the difficulties make us alive. All the difficulties are challenges to remind us of what is important. May santo tayo ngayon. Dati siyang Hudyo, no? She's a saint from Germany. Ang pangalan niya, pinanganak siya, Edith Stein. Siya ay Hudyo. Tapos nung siya nag-aaral sa Germany, na meron siyang nakita, no? At parang na-attract siya sa Catholicism. Mag-isa siya nag-aral, nag-research siya, napagaling, naging teacher siya, at nag-convert siya into Catholicism, and she became a Carmelite nun. Naging madre. So, And her name is Saint Teresa Benedicta of the Cross. Pinaltan niya yung pangalan niya. No? When you enter the religious order, you can change your name. And this was the title she used, the saint she used. Saint Teresa Benedicta of the Cross. Of the Cross. We have John of the Cross. Kung pwede natin ilagay sa pangalan natin, di ba? Victor of the Cross, for example. Whatever you name, we need the cross. Let us not run away from the cross. Kailangan natin ang cross. It will save us. It is very, very important. Suffer with the cross. If you do not accept this, you die. Kaya nga, the gospel of the gospel today, if you try to save your life, you will lose it. In losing, you will save it. You will have eternal life. The paradox of life. Yan ang kwento, kabaligtaran, no? Habang gusto mong mabuhay, atat na atat kan mabuhay, you will do everything, and lalong mawawala. No? Offer your life, then you will live. So, all the ironies. Imagine, suffer or die. Toil. Maghirap. If you don't do this, you will die. So, embrace the crosses of our lives. We thank God for the cross that will bring us to eternal life.